afford. Dr. Manny's wife is also a chiropractor, so he's lucky enough to get more adjustments, where I don't. All right, bud. Here we go. So as a chiropractor, we have a lot of stress in our body, so we need our adjustments. All right, ready, my man?
Yeah.
Deep breath for me. All the way.
Oh.
There it is.
Nice.
Deep breath, my man. That was too easy. Again.
Cross your legs. All right, ready?
We were just about to walk out the door to go grab a quick bite to eat, and I said, hey, we gotta get adjusted, dude. So here we are. All right.
Things are already moving.
Yep, take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Good. Okay. Good movement. I think J-Train's gonna be happy for this video, Jason. He always is like, let's do a Dr. Manny, Dr. Mo combo video. Here it is. Breathe in. All the way out. There it is. Good. All right.
Yeah.
Okay, there it is. Okay. Excellent. Excellent. Good. Okay, stay right there. Yeah, see. Good. Good movement. Here. Excellent.
Oh, always.
Yeah, okay.
Man, that just opened up here.
Breathe in. Good. Okay, right here. Breathe in. All the way out. Good. Lay face up for me. Do a little decompression adjustment here. All right, relax here. Good.
Use a towel.
There it is, yeah.
Yeah, we got it, I think.
Yeah. There's one more up here. So right when we were face down, we were doing the lower cervicals, cervical-thoracic junction, and right now we're working through these upper cervicals here. It's a little hard to get these laying face down. We do have some of the seateds will get these uppers, and definitely if you're laying face up. All right, good stuff. Thank you guys.
Hey, if you've been watching, keep watching us. We're going to keep bringing you better videos.
Take care. Have a good one.
Take care.